Nearly 88% of car owners have no idea their vehicle is equipped with features that can make driving safer, save time, and even prevent thousands of dollars in repair costs. Most of these are overlooked simply because they're hidden or seem like ordinary details. But in this video, I'll reveal 15 secret features that surprise even veteran drivers. Don't miss out, because the final feature isn't just fascinating. It's incredibly useful and could save you in an emergency. My life gets better if this video helps you, so comment number 1 to let me know. Let's start with seatbelt loops. Most people think the small fabric loop on the passenger seatbelt is just an extra detail or a manufacturing flaw, but it's actually a seatbelt loop, a brilliantly designed crash force management system. During an accident, the stitching is engineered to tear in a controlled way, releasing a few inches of seatbelt to reduce the impact force on the chest and neck while preventing the belt from breaking entirely. Interestingly, this feature is only on the passenger side, not the driver's. Studies show it can reduce chest and neck injuries by up to 30% in frontal collisions. It's proof that sometimes the most critical features are the ones you hope never to use, but when needed, they can save lives. If you look closely, you'll realize small details like this are the line between a normal drive and a dangerous situation diffused in an instant. 14. Secret rear window button. Many think the rear window defroster button is only for clearing fog or ice, but the secret rear window button is far more useful than that. The thin lines on the glass are heating elements that not only remove fog, but also tackle stubborn stains like tree sap or bird droppings. Just turn it on for 10 to 15 minutes, and the heat softens the grime, making it easy to wipe clean without scratching the glass. In humid areas, activating the rear defroster for a few minutes when starting the car also balances cabin humidity, preventing moisture buildup on the windshield before it forms. Few know that this system not only improves visibility, but also enhances safety in bad weather. It's a small action that can help you avoid dangerous situations and save time cleaning the rear window after every trip. 13. Spare key location secrets. Most drivers know only one way to unlock their car if locked out, but spare key location secrets will surprise you. Beyond the mechanical key hidden in the remote, many cars have a secret lock on the passenger door handle, revealed by gently removing a plastic cover. Less noticed, some brands like Toyota or Honda have even included magnetic key boxes tucked under the chassis or behind the rear bumper as a dealer option. Even if your car doesn't have one, you can buy a magnetic key box for under $10 and attach it to a discreet spot to prepare for forgotten keys or a dead remote battery. This trick saves you hundreds of dollars on locksmith fees and is especially handy in remote areas. The key is to choose a truly hidden and secure spot to avoid detection by thieves. It's a small but smart tip that brings peace of mind on every drive. 12. Headlight aiming adjustment. Many don't realize that 70% of cars on the road have misaligned headlights, either blinding oncoming drivers or creating dangerous blind spots. The headlight aiming adjustment feature lets you fix this in minutes without a trip to the shop. Behind the headlight assembly, you'll usually find two brightly colored plastic screws. One adjusts the beam's height, the other its horizontal direction. With just a Phillips screwdriver, you can optimize nighttime visibility and reduce accident risks. The surprising part is that many shops or dealers skip this check during maintenance, often suggesting costly bulb or headlight replacements instead. In reality, a tweak costing less than $2 can significantly improve lighting performance. Check and adjust periodically, especially after replacing bulbs, minor collisions, or carrying heavy loads, to ensure clear, safe visibility for you and others on the road. If you think this is rare info, give it a like. 11. Cabin air filter access. Many car owners don't realize that besides the engine air filter, their car has a cabin air filter that cleans the air you breathe inside the vehicle. Usually tucked behind the glove box or under the dashboard, this filter traps fine dust, pollen, bacteria, and even odors. When it gets dirty, it reduces airflow, makes the air conditioner less efficient, increases fuel consumption, and can trigger allergies. The good news is that replacing it is super easy. Just open the glove box, pinch the sides to lower it, and you'll see the filter compartment cover. No tools needed, just a few minutes, and you're done. Check it every 12,000, 15,000 miles, or more often if you drive on dusty roads or during pollen season. A new filter costs just a few bucks, but delivers cleaner air, extends the life of your AC system, and protects your health every time you drive. 10. Bluetooth hidden features. Bluetooth in your car isn't just for playing music or hands-free calls. It hides features that make driving more convenient and safer if you know how to use them. Many systems can read text messages aloud, letting you reply with preset responses without taking your eyes off the road. Some even access your contacts and make calls using voice commands. What's cool is that many cars support connecting two phones at once, so both you and a passenger can receive prioritized calls or messages. This is especially handy for couples, business partners, or shared vehicles. Dig into the advanced Bluetooth settings, and you'll find options to sync music, podcasts, or even prioritize devices. When set up right, the system automatically selects the playback source or call recipient based on learned habits. In other words, your car isn't just a vehicle, it's a personalized communication hub, keeping you focused on driving while staying seamlessly connected. This is one of those hidden gifts most owners never fully tap into. 9. Trunk emergency release. Most cars made after 2002 are required to have an emergency trunk release inside, but many people never notice it. This handle, often glowing in the dark, is typically a T-shaped pull, a cord or a button near the trunk latch. Its purpose is to let anyone trapped inside escape, a life-saving feature for rare but dangerous situations. In some high-end cars, the handle is illuminated when the trunk closes, making it easier to find. Few know that if the mechanism is stuck or hard to reach, some brands include backups like a kick sensor or app-based opening. Parents should subtly teach kids its location and use, without causing fear. It's a feature you hope never to need, but knowing where it is and how to use it can make the difference between danger and safety. A small detail, but it brings huge peace of mind when you understand its purpose and how to use it. 8. Parking brake assist. Many think the parking brake is just for parking, but with modern technology, it's also a lifesaver in situations where you're most likely to lose control, like starting on a hill. Normally, when you release the brake pedal to press the gas, the car rolls back slightly before moving forward, causing a jolt and potential danger if there's a car or person behind. Parking brake assist solves this completely. The system holds the car steady for a few seconds after you release the brake, giving you time to smoothly press the gas without rolling back. On some cars, it activates automatically. On others, you can toggle it in the settings. Some hold for 2 seconds, others until forward acceleration is detected, depending on the brand. Once you get used to it, it not only boosts safety, but also makes you feel more confident driving, especially in crowded streets or hilly terrain. It's a perfect example of a seemingly small feature that significantly improves daily comfort and safety. 7. Mirror memory secret. Many cars can save rearview mirror positions for different drivers, even if they don't have power seat memory. This secret saves you time adjusting mirrors each time someone else drives, while ensuring optimal visibility. The process is simple. Adjust the mirrors to your desired position, then use a button combination to save. On many GM vehicles, just hold the mirror adjustment button and press a preset on the radio. The mirror will shift slightly to confirm it's saved. In higher-end models, the system links mirror settings to your smart key. So, when you unlock the car with your key, the mirrors automatically adjust to your preferred angle, and when someone else uses their key, it switches to theirs. This is especially useful for families with drivers of different heights and sight lines. No more fumbling to tweak mirrors or risking poor visibility that could compromise safety. It's a small convenience that delivers a noticeably personalized experience, making every drive more comfortable and safer. 6. Rain sensing wiper feature. Many think automatic wipers just turn on when it rains, but this system is far smarter than that. A sensor, usually behind the rearview mirror, works by shooting infrared beams onto the windshield and measuring the reflected light. When raindrops hit the glass, the reflection angle changes and the system adjusts wiper speed accordingly. You can tweak the sensitivity by twisting the wiper stalk in auto mode, turn it up for light drizzle, and down if it's reacting too fast. In many cars, this feature also triggers the rear wiper when you shift into reverse during rain, keeping your rear view clear. Some high-end models even close the sunroof, turn on headlights, or adjust the AC when rain is detected. For the system to work accurately, the windshield and sensor area must stay clean. Worn wiper blades or a dirty windshield can confuse the sensor's weather reading. This technology makes driving safer, letting you focus on the road instead of constantly adjusting wipers, and once you're used to it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. 5. Tire pressure individual readouts. Most drivers know about the tire pressure warning light, but few notice that many modern cars let you view the pressure of each tire individually on the dashboard screen. This feature doesn't just tell you when a tire is low. It detects slow leaks or pressure imbalances between tires, which can affect traction, braking, and fuel efficiency. For example, a tire might read 32 psi when cold in the morning, but rise to 35-36 psi after a long drive due to heat. Monitoring these changes lets you adjust proactively, optimizing your car's performance. On highways, slightly higher pressure saves fuel. On slick roads, a bit lower improves grip. You might also spot one tire consistently 2-3 psi lower than the others, a clear sign of a leak that needs immediate attention. Always check pressures when tires are cold in the morning for the most accurate readings. This is like having eyes, constantly monitoring your tires, helping you avoid dangerous issues and saving significant maintenance costs. 4. Headlight washers and wipers. Many don't realize their car has a headlight washer or wiper system, a small but incredibly useful feature, especially for nighttime or bad weather driving. Over time, dust, mud, road salt, or insects can build up on headlight lenses, reducing brightness by 40 to 50% without you even noticing. The system is simple. When you activate the windshield washer with headlights on, small nozzles integrated in the front bumper spray high-pressure cleaning fluid onto the lenses, and some cars even have mini wipers to scrub them clean. In many models, it activates only after a set number of windshield washes to save fluid, or it may have a dedicated button. If your car has this, keep the washer fluid reservoir full and use quality fluid to avoid scratching the lenses. The benefit isn't just brighter lights and clearer visibility, it also reduces accident risks from limited vision. This is one of those features that surprises people when they see their headlights getting a bath and wonder what the car's doing. In reality, it's quietly protecting you every time you drive. 3. Advanced cruise control customization. Adaptive cruise control on many modern cars doesn't just maintain a set speed and distance. It offers hidden customization options that make driving feel much more personalized. Beyond choosing a close or far following distance, you can adjust the sensitivity of acceleration or braking, tailoring the car's response to be smooth or quick based on your driving style. Some cars even save settings for each key, so every driver has their own profile without needing to readjust each time someone else takes the wheel. In higher-end models, the system learns your habits, how you brake, accelerate, or maintain distance, and gradually mimics your driving style. When paired with GPS and traffic data, it can predict upcoming congestion or construction, slowing down before you even see the issue. This not only saves fuel and reduces brake wear, but also makes your drive noticeably smoother. If you haven't dug into the settings menu for this feature, you're likely missing out on a safer, more comfortable, and smarter driving experience. 2. Automatic door lock programming. Few know that most cars made after 2005 let you program automatic locking and unlocking to your liking. offering not just convenience, but also a critical security feature. You can set the car to lock automatically at a certain speed, unlock when shifted to park, or even unlock only the driver's door to reduce risks in unsafe areas. Each brand has a unique secret code to enter programming mode, often a sequence of turning the ignition on and off and pressing specific buttons. For example, many Ford vehicles require switching from off to run 8 times in 10 seconds, ending in run, and then the doors lock and unlock to signal it's ready to program. The best part is that these settings are saved permanently, even if you disconnect the battery. This means your car remembers your preferences, never missing a crucial security step. For many, this adds an extra layer of protection, preventing accidental unlocked doors or quick access by intruders. It's a small feature that brings big peace of mind on every trip. Comment number 1 and like this video, and I'll reveal even more shocking features. 1. Engine block heater feature. Many think an engine block heater is only for harsh winter climates, but it's valuable even in milder regions. Usually located behind the grille or under the hood, covered by a plastic cap with a cord symbol, this heater keeps engine oil warm, making startups easier and reducing wear during ignition. In cold regions, it's a lifesaver, preventing sluggish performance, high fuel consumption, and damage from cold starts. But the benefits don't stop there. The plug can also power maintenance tools like air pumps, work lights, or repair devices during roadside emergencies. Professional mechanics love it for running diagnostic tools without draining the battery. Interestingly, cars with block heaters often fetch higher resale values in cold regions, as buyers recognize their worth. Even if you've never used it in winter, it's a handy backup power source that makes you more prepared for various situations. It's a feature few notice, but when needed, it can save thousands in repair costs and bail you out on the road. These features may be small, tucked away, and easily overlooked, but their value is huge, from boosting safety and convenience to saving significant repair costs. Once you know and use them, they become silent assistants for every drive. If you want to keep discovering smart car tips and maintenance tricks, don't miss the next video. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell to stay updated with every useful piece of content.